Dear learners, welcome to online class. I am Pankaj Kumar Haldar, Assistant Teacher, Koirasbari Secondary School, Nazirpur, Pirozpur. Today, I will discuss with you about clause, a very important grammar point. You observe the class carefully and note what you need from the board. Okay, learners. The clause. Learners, at first I write a large sentence. Learners, I know the man who came here. It's a large sentence. If I analyze the sentence, I know the man. It is a part. Who came here? It is another part of this sentence. Learners, I know the man. It is called a clause. And who came here? It is also a clause. So, learners, we can say that a clause is a part of a sentence. A clause is a part of a large sentence which has subject, verb. Verb, that means finite verb. Second clause, here is also finite verb came. Okay, learners, I can write another sentence. Learners, you came here though you were ill. I can write this part from the beginning, though you are ill, though you were ill. You came here. Learners, it is a part of this sentence, and you came here, it is also a part of this sentence. So, though you are ill, it is a clause, and you came here, it is also a clause. So learners, I can say the definition again. Clause is part of a large sentence. Clause is part of a large sentence that has a subject and a finite verb. Okay, learners. Now, there are various kinds of clauses, such as number 1, principal clause. Number 2, subordinate clause. Number 3, coordinate clause. Learners, there are 3 kinds of clause: principal clause, subordinate clause, and coordinate clause. Dear learners, though he is rich, he is dishonest. Though he is rich, this is a part, that means this is a clause. He is dishonest, this is also a clause. You observe the sentence, learners. This clause is not independent. Though he is rich, it is not an independent clause because its meaning is not clear. Its meaning is dependent on this clause. He is dishonest. But he is dishonest, this clause is independent. To keep the meaning clearly, he is dishonest. It is a clear idea. It has a meaning. That means he is dishonest. This clause is independent clause. So, independent clause, the another name, principal clause. Principal clause or independent clause. Though he is rich, it is dependent clause, that means subordinate clause. Okay, dear learners, we can write more and more sentences like this. Today, I want to close my class. Thank you, dear learners.